goodbye.
Hi guys, it's your girl Caro NG here again, and welcome back to this beautiful channel where we grow and glow. So today is this is Saturday, but by the time you're watching this vlog, it's going to be Tuesday. So I want us to clean and cook together. But before that, from getting some groceries that will take me through the week, we are first going to do a haul. Then we shall get into the main video. So make sure you get tuned, watch to the end, and please enjoy this vlog. We are going to cook yummy, yummy things. So make sure you keep tuned. Let's get into the video.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times.
I managed to get a few items just to add on what I didn't have. I bought some pickles and tomatoes here, so I'll be cleaning them. That's why I put them together. I have some peas for dinner, this ginger, some dania. I'll be using them for cooking supper. This capsicum, all these are cooking for cooking supper. Then I bought these chicken and beef cubes and also some Royco cubes. I was already running out of them. Then I bought some Ribena and Afia. My daughter has never taken Afia. I just want to try if she will love it. I also bought some small Weetabix. Initially, my daughter has really had, in a few years back, I used to give her, and I think she didn't love it. So I want to see if she's now going to begin eating it. That's why I bought a small piece. I keep it, and then I'll go for the big packet. Then I bought some paprika. I've never used this one, but I just want to give a taste of it. I really love tasting new things, so I'm going to give a review of the same in my next meal. Then I bought some bananas. Of course, I didn't have even a single fruit in this house, by the way. I also bought this big onion. There were actually two. This is the other piece. I normally use medium size onions, but I'm going to be using a lot of onions in the for my dinner, so I just decided to get these two big pieces. Also bought these carrots. I'm not used to buying such. I love buying zikiwa mingi, but I think I need to go to Githurai market and just buy a few items. Then I have this sunrise rice. Anytime I want to cook vegetable rice ama pilau, I love using this brand because it normally inatokanga ikiwa moja moja, that is haishikanangi. Then I bought these tuzo milk for my baby, these two packets, and these are the small ones for cooking porridge. And finally is my chicken. I think you can already guess what I'm preparing for supper, so let's get into the cooking part, which is the main part of this video. I hope you enjoy. This is what I'll be cooking for dinner. I'm having my rice and my chicken at that side, and I'm just trying to prepare the ingredients I'll be using. I will be using this green capsicum, my carrot, and the onions, the garlic, and some turmeric just to have some yellow color, and my peas here. On the other video I did about preparing vegetable rice, I used the red, yellow pepper, and everything. But I realized my daughter does not love this capsicum thing. So I just decided to do this one to just have some more green color in my rice. This one will put some orange color and so on and so forth. So we are going to start cooking. The best way to prepare sunrise basmati rice is by first soaking it for a few minutes because it will cook very, very well. So I'll not do this cooking into details because I think I've done a video on it, how to prepare the chicken and how to prepare the vegetable rice. So let's get into the cooking. As my rice soak, I'll be steaming my peas, and my chicken will be boiling on the other end. are right here. I'm done preparing them. The only thing that is not here is dania, because I'm only going to be using it for my chicken. And at that far end here is my soaked rice. It has already soaked for 15 minutes, and I think it's now ready for me to cook it. So I will be using a different method to prepare vegetable rice today. Just follow it, and maybe you could like it. I have not used it before, but I hope that it is going to come out as good as what I have been using before.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning.
My vegetable rice has turned out so well. This is just beyond expectations. Na imetoka moja moja. So this rice is very, very good. I'm not advertising it, but this is what I use when I'm preparing vegetable rice. Wow. And I love my new way of cooking it. I think I will just use this one from now henceforth. Yep, I really, really love it. Wow, this is very, very nice. So my chicken is ready. So I'll just pick a few pieces, and we will steam our cabbages, and we will be done preparing dinner. I've extracted this oil from the chicken, so I'm not going to be using any extra oil outside. And this is what I'll be frying. I'm just wondering whether I should first brown them, but it's not a must for me. So let's just go ahead and fry them. Yeah, with our ingredients. This is just dania, onions, and these are dania stalks, not the leaves. The stalks, some garlic, and my onions, garlic and ginger.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time.
My meals are finally ready. I have my vegetable rice there, and it is looking very colorful. I know it's going to be very yummy. Then I have my steamed cabbage here. Then I have my chicken here, and I have some remainder chicken there. I'm going to be freezing it after it completely cools. So I'll first serve my daughter Then as she eats, I'm going to take care of the sink. It's looking a bit bad. Then I will just have my supper and we will go to bed. It's already dark and I started cooking at around 5:30 ama 5, and you can see it has taken a bit of time. So yeah, let me serve my daughter, then we will clean up our utensils. So here is baby's meal. I hope she is going to enjoy it. I'll eat after I'm done cooking. Not really cooking. Am I sick? When I'm done washing the utensils. The utensils were a bit mini because I had not cleaned up at 4, but however, I still managed to finish them. I also wanted to scrub my sufurias, but I think I just got tired and I just cleaned whatever was in the sink. taken care of. The sink is clean. My fruits here and my tomatoes are clean. And finally, my supper is here. I think I've even lost appetite. I'm just going to eat this little food and I'll go to bed. I'm already feeling very, very tired. So let me finish this vlog here. In case you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and like, share if you can, and let's get to 500 subscribers. Bye bye guys, till we meet again in the next vlog. Bye, love you. Mwah.